So in this section for quiz 6.5, it says find the angle between the lines. Now, on the quiz, I am going to provide this formula, but you need to know how to use it. Now this means, so phi here is the angle between the two lines. In order to calculate this angle, you need to find m2 minus m1 over 1 plus m2 times m1. Now it's very clear that the reason it's in this chapter is because you need to use the difference of angles of tangent to derive this formula. But you will need to use your previous knowledge about lines in order to solve it. Now what's m2 and what's m1? Well, m2 is the slope of the line 2, and m1 is the slope of L1. So we need to find the slope of these two lines, given that the two lines have these two different equations. Now, in order to find the line of L1, the slope of L1, you need to rewrite this equation in this mx plus b form with the slope and y-intercept. So for L1, you have 2x plus y minus 4 equals 0. Now, in order to have it as y equals mx plus b, I need to subtract the 2x and add the 4 on both sides. So that means that y equals negative 2x plus 4. Now, this is for L1. So M1 is the slope of this line. Now remember, mx plus b, m is the slope. M is the number multiplying x. In this case, negative 2. Now the same thing you have to do for L2. So for L2, let me use a different color. Let me erase. So for L2, you have y minus 2x plus 5 equals 0. You still have to have it in y equals mx plus b. So in this case, I'm going to add 2x and subtract 5. So y equals 2x minus 5. So L2, the slope here is m2, which is the number multiplying x, which is 2. Now that you find m1 and m2, the rest is just plug it into the formula. So let's use a different color for that. So tangent of phi is equal to m2, which is 2, minus m1, which is negative 2, over 1 plus m2, which is 2, times m1, which is negative 2. Now that is equal to a minus times a minus makes a plus, so 2 plus 2 over 1. 2 times negative 2 is minus 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. So tangent of phi is equal to 4 over negative 3. But remember, you're looking for the angle, so you need to find the tangent inverse. So phi is the tangent inverse of negative 4/3. And for that, you need a calculator. So approximating that, here you have that 4 divided by 3 equals that. We put the minus sign. And for these calculators, you go second tangent inverse, which is equal to negative 53 degrees. Now hopefully this doesn't crash, because every time I pull out my calculator it crashes. So let's see. It seems like it did crash, like always. But negative 53 will be your degrees. Now, if you want to know what's the angle in the positive direction, just add 360 to your answer. So 306 is the angle between those two lines, 306 degrees. And that's your answer. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments or ask me in class. Thank you.